the rate of interest to be taken, where the funds are borrowed especially to acquire a qualifying asset. Borrowing costs which may be capitalized are those actually incurred less the investment income on the temporary investment of the borrowing during the capitalization period. So understand this statement. In previous example, you have taken loan of rupees 2 lakh and your total construction cost is 5 lakh. So when you started your construction, the half of the amount, suppose 1 lakh, will be required after 3 months. So what you did, you invested this 1 lakh for 3 months at the rate of 6%. For 3 months you have invested. So what will be the total interest at the rate of 6% for 3 months? So the interest will be 1 lakh multiply 6% means 6 by 100, for 3 months means 3 by 12. So here so total interest will be 1500. For 3 months total interest will be 1500. If my calculation is wrong, you please correct it. So your capitalization, what we are capitalized in previous example, we capitalized 12,000. So now the 12,000 minus 1500, you have to capitalize this amount, not 12,000. So because this is the gain, so net expense is 12,000 minus 1500. Now solve this question. So as per the question, Wilson received 18 million 5% loan on 1st January 2008 to finance the construction of a new factory. The funds were not all required immediately. Wilson invested 6 million in 2% bond until 31st May. So the investment, let's calculate the interest earned from the investment. So interest earned is on $6 million. For what is the rate? Rate is 2%, so 2 by 100. For how many months? Until 31st May. So January to May. January, February, March, April and May. So 5 months. So 5 divided by 12. So the amount will be $0.05 million. $0.05 million. So this is the amount of interest earned. What is the amount of interest expended during 1 year? Because January to December. So expense of interest is 18 million. 18 million multiply by rate of interest, so 5%, so 5 by 100 for 1 year is equal to 0.9. This is the expense paid million in $1 million. Because the construction started from 1st March, it is said construction of the factory begins on 1st March 2008 and was completed on December 31st. So we will charge the expense of interest that is occurred between March to December. This is for 12 months. So March to December is 10 months including March. So what will be the interest of 10 months? So interest of 10 months is 0.9 9 million multiply by 10 by 12. So it will be 0.75. You calculate whether I am correct or not in calculation. So this is our actual expense during the construction period, and that actual expense means your interest, we can capitalize. But before capitalizing this interest, you have to deduct any income that you have gained from the investment. So what is the gain we got from the investment? 0.05. So you have to deduct 0.05. So your total capitalization of interest is 0.07. Now, where fund of the project are taken from general borrowings, means more than one borrowings, the weighted average cost of general borrowing is taken. In that case, see the next slide. So here we are calculating the weighted average cost. So one interest is 10 million at the rate of 6%, and another loan is 2 million at the rate of 8%. So we will calculate the interest divided by 12. So total interest is 6.633. So amount to be capitalized would be the amount spent on the asset multiplied by 6.33 per annum.